Hey guys, today I'm gonna make my own pizza. I am so excited. Let's start with the toppings. So here is the bread. I'm gonna take the sauce and spread it evenly. Okay, time to go to the yummy colorful bell peppers. I love colorful pizzas. It looks so nice and appealing and delicious. Don't you think? Put it here. There. Now, some corn. These taste very juicy and nice. So I like them a lot in my pizzas. There we go. Now, my favorite, olives. I want it in every piece, so I'm going to put it everywhere. Maybe one or two more, I guess. I love olives. And now for the final topping, cheese. Yummy, yummy. And little cheese for you too. Some cheese for you. Looks like a volcano of deliciousness has completely erupted. Is that enough? I guess so. Can't wait to taste it. My pizza is ready and now I'm gonna bake it. It's ready! Smells so delicious. Wait, I just got a brilliant idea. What if I make a miniature pizza? That's gonna be my